Welcome to Short-Handed Sailing with me, Pip Hare and Key Yachting. In this series, we're going to break down the key manoeuvres that double-handed teams must execute and show you how only two people can sail a performance boat like this J99 safely and efficiently. All these tips apply for cruising boats as well, so it's for anyone who wants to make the most out of their boat when sailing with only two people. With a lack of righting moment on the rail, when you're short-handed, you'll find that you need to reef a little bit earlier than your sail selection charts might suggest. When you're reefing, use the autopilot. One of you goes forward to the mast to put the forward end of the main down, while the other one comes to the secondary winches and controls reefing lines and halyards. In this case, I would set the autopilot to steer to compass mode rather than wind mode, because once you take the pressure off the main, the autopilot might find it a little bit hard to carry on steering to a wind angle. So I'm engaging the pilot, and then before I leave the helming position, I'm going to depower the main. So I'll put the traveller down and then just ease the sheet out so the boom can lift up in the air and meet the reefing line. Don't be tempted to ease the jib. Leave it in its fully sheeted position, because actually the jib being sheeted in is going to help you depowering the main, because it's funneling breeze into the back of that mainsail. Just allow the boat to plod along, steering against the jib on its own. When you're ready, we're easing the halyard down to that first reefing point. And if you can get marks on the halyard to show where the reefing points are, then that makes it so much easier. Halyard's coming down. With the other hand, I can just pull the reefing line in. Okay, once the halyard is clipped on, we can tension the luff again. Once you've got your luff tension, you can get the foot tension by taking in your reefing line. If you're struggling to get the reefing line in, just ease the main sheet out a little more. Key thing is to make sure that that boom is able to go up in the air. Then we can sheet back in again. And then finally, we just tidy up the bag of sail with some elastics.